Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain narration change using exclamatory sentences. At first we should know what is exclamatory sentence. Sentences containing sudden expressions of happiness, joy, satisfaction, anger, sorrow, contempt, disgust, fearness, etc. are called exclamatory sentences. At the end of the sentence we put exclamation symbol. Let's see the sentences. How beautiful the flower is. It expresses sudden feelings of happiness, joy, and the sentence starts with WH word how. At the end of the sentence we put what? Exclamation symbol. What a great fall. The sentence starts with what? With a, right? What a great fall. At the end of the sentence, exclamation symbol. It expresses the feelings of surprise, happiness. Oh, my dog is dead. Here, just after the word oh, we put exclamation symbol because this word expresses the feelings. Hooray, aha, ha. These are the words which express the feelings of happiness, joy and satisfaction. Alas, the word is used to express the feeling of sorrow. Sorry, the word is used to express the feeling of regret. Bravo. The word is used to express the feeling of praise, applause. Phew, she. Those words are used to express the feelings of contempt, disgust, disbelief. Another more words we use to express our feelings. Right? In this video, I am going to explain to change from direct speech to indirect speech where you use exclamatory sentences. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umanedu Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's change into indirect speech. He said, what a great fall. Okay, this is one exclamatory sentence. Okay, what is used to in exclamatory sentence? At first we should notice, we should focus to some points while changing from direct speech to indirect speech. What are the points? To see the repeating verb. Repeating verb said is in past form. While changing from direct speech to indirect speech, the repeating speech will be converted into its corresponding past. Then another, we have to notice to the exclamatory words. Which are exclamatory words? What, how, if. Another more words are used as exclamatory words. Right? In indirect speech, those words will be removed. Then wished. Instead of said, which word will be used? Wished or exclaimed with. Exclaimed with and the feelings of our expressions. Okay, we have to use what expressions, what feelings comes after exclaimed with, we have to use those words. Then conjunction that will be used and the sentence will be converted into assertive sentence. Exclamatory sentence will be converted into assertive sentence. Then at the end of the sentence, which mark will come? Full stop. Okay, we have to focus to those points while changing from direct speech to indirect speech. He said, what a great fall. This is, the word is one exclamatory word. That word will be removed in indirect speech. And we have to see which expression it gives. What a great fall gives which expression? Expressions of happiness or surprise. Right? So, in indirect speech, it will be he exclaimed with our feeling. Okay? He exclaimed with surprise. That conjunction what comes? That. And the sentence will be converted into assertive. So it is what a great fall means what? What a great fall it is. In indirect speech, it will be it was a great fall. It's the sentence converted into assertive. At the end, there is full stop. This is the trick technique. Okay. He said, how beautiful the flower is. How? How is the exclamatory word that will be removed in indirect speech. He exclaimed with. It gives what? It expresses the feelings of praise. So, she exclaimed with praise. She exclaimed with happiness that the flower was, it will be was, very beautiful. He said, if I were a bird, it expresses the feelings of imagination. There we use wished in indirect speech. He wished that if the word if will be removed, that will not be used in indirect speech, and I is first person will be changed as per speaker, so it will be he. He, where will be, would be, because as it is one be verb, that will be what? Would be. He would be a bird. Full stop. She said, if I were young again. It gives the feelings of imagination, expresses the feelings of imagination. So, she wished that I will be she, as the speaker is she. She would be, where will be, would be young again. Okay, would be young again. Next, he said, wow, what a pleasant weather it is. Wow expresses the feelings of joy, happiness. So, he exclaimed with joy that what a pleasant weather it is. It was a pleasant weather. Full stop. The captain said, well done, my friends. Okay. The captain exclaimed with applause. Understand? It shows the expressions of applause, praise. The captain explained with applause that my friends, well done my friends means my friends have done well, right? So that my friends, my first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker, the captain. So his friends, mine will be his friends have done well, had done well. The player said, hooray, we have won. The player exclaimed with happiness. Hooray expresses the feelings of happiness. Exclaimed with happiness that we, as per first person, as first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker, we will be they had won. The lady said, oh, my dog is dead. Oh expresses the feelings of sorrow. The lady exclaimed with sorrow that my dog will be her dog, because the lady is the speaker. Her dog was dead, is dead, was dead. My mother said, hooray, my son, you have qualified the examination. Here too, my son, you, the same person, both the same person. My mother said to her son, you have qualified the examination. Okay. So, what will be? My mother exclaimed with joy, hooray, exclaimed with joy that who is my son? He is you, the same. So, you can write here, he had qualified the examination. Also, for my son will be written her son. My mother, okay, her son had qualified the examination. Or you can write here, he had qualified the examination. Susri said, alas, I have been ruined. It expresses the feelings of sorrow, right? Susri exclaimed with sorrow that I will be changed as per speaker, Shushri. So it will be she. She had been ruined. He said, sorry, I am late today. He exclaimed with regret. Okay, that I am late today. I will be changed as per speaker he. So it will be he was late Today will be that day. Srinu said, "She, I have done it." Srinu exclaimed with disgust that I have done it. He, Srinu. I first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker Srinu. He have done, had done it. Third person pronoun will not be changed. I hope you get the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.